I'm not sleeping very well. My concentration gone to hell. I've fallen under some ancient spell. Must be the gypsy in you.
Welcome to a bit of a soggy day too. It's a bit damp, drizzling. I think we're in for a few showers tonight. Apparently it rained really hard overnight. So yeah, not quite the glorious sunshine we had yesterday. So yeah, tougher trek today. It's about 15 kilometres, depending on who you ask, between 13 and 17. We've got 800 metres to climb up. I got it wrong yesterday, 2,000. I think we're going, we've got to go up 1,400 and down 6. So yeah, net 800. It's going to be about an 8-hour trek. It's including the lunch stops. So yeah, a lot tougher than yesterday. But our first stop's in about an hour and a half, just for a tea break, get some more food. But yeah, looking forward to it. So yeah, right, we're going to get packed up and hit the trail. All right. Just in case there's any questions. In charge of the shop.
Yeah, they got a little shop there.
A bit of you right now. About 5 minutes in now, I guess. Definitely a more up and down today. Quite a few steps to deal with, but this is the easy part of the trek. But leading to some good views.
The height of one chopper is coming, right? So down the river, this listen to sound of the river, Namche river, right? So far we're doing very well. Thank you. Namaste.
Namaste. All right, let's crack on.
All right.
I'll go for a milk tea. There's tea.
This one. Oh, there you go.
No! Give me action!
Oh my god!
Yes, sir.
Action! Action!
I'm gonna get you, punk! I'm gonna get you!
Action! Action!
You're looking good, man. Right.
Wow, look at this.
It's like changing the weather after we stop for tea. Right, slippery bridge. Let's concentrate. River. This is the entrance to the national park. Just got to get our tickets and stuff. I think here, from now on, this is where things get interesting. Yeah, let's be honest with it.
This is the fragrance. Yeah, so you say
Just stopped for lunch. A nice little restaurant behind us. We're just about halfway. You saw from the sign at the gate to the national park, so we've got 4 hours to go. But we've just been told it's 700 metres of climbing, so we are pretty much up all the way. Yeah, until the end of the day. So there's quite a lot to climb. Might lie to you. I don't think it's going to be that easy, but I've got a pretty light pack. So yeah, just one foot in front of the other and keep going. And then we hit Namche Bazaar. So yeah, all right, it's going to get a bit tougher. Let's do it. Good laugh at me. Okay, I'm going, mate, I'm going. Right, pretty wet now. The rain is coming down. We haven't even started climbing yet either. This is what we put this in. Right, so we've been climbing for about 30 minutes now, I reckon. Something like that, maybe 40. And we are pretty high. We've got to come 300-400 metres up. So, still raining, but not too bad. It's slow, steady pace. But that's good, because obviously we're getting to higher altitudes now. How's everyone doing, alright? Yeah, still going along. Looks like we're just coming to a peak up here.
wow, nice valley.
Beautiful, huh?
Oh man. Clouds are moving.
Yeah, clouds are moving quickly, huh?
Yeah. Looks a little bit changed. Yeah. We're heading to the Namche Bazaar. So very slowly, maximum 2 hours. We're doing very well. Hopefully tomorrow gonna be good weather. You can see the more nice view of the mountain. Thank you. Cheers, Rob.
Beautiful. Let's go.
Yeah.
Onwards and upwards.
All right. We went to see leopard.
So, we're here at Top Dana. This should have been our first view of Everest. Through the trees here. As you can see, we've got complete cloud coverage. But we're at 3,140 metres. So 300 metres to go to climb. About an hour, I think. So yeah, almost there. Get in there. Good stuff.
Okay, see you later.
Yes.
Bye bye. Give the side.
Okay, you're coming back. Yeah. We made it, brother.
We made it.
Yes. Beautiful. Oh, good job, man. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Well done, guys.
Well done, guys. Let's do a high five on it. Well, Namche Bazaar, well done.
Yes.
Everybody doing very well.
Oh, sorry. No, on camera as well. Twice.
Hey, namaste.
Sorry, Sam.
We're in Namche Bazaar. Everybody is doing very well. We're gonna stay tonight here. Tomorrow we're gonna do acclimatizing, levy hiking. All good so far. Thank you so much.
Beautiful. So here we are in Namche Bazaar. As you can see, the clouds have come right in now. But we made it up in a good time. We've got a nice little tea house we're staying in. Hot shower, cup of coffee, hot chocolate, and get some dinner on the way. So yeah, nice, good day today. Bit soggy, but nothing too bad. Just keep on trekking. And then tomorrow's our rest day. We've got to acclimatise now. Because we're 3.340 metres above sea level. So I think we do a short hike, but nothing crazy. And then the day after, we hit the mountain. So yeah, looking forward to that. But right, it's going to be a nice cosy night tonight, because the weather is not nice.